Okay.
Use an area.
External.
External,
the outside. Okay.
external, other.
Anchor.
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 Okay, this is anchor. Okay, the ship use it to. Okay, the ship use it to stay in one place. Anchor. You need to have something. Okay, to hold your mind, your thought.
And use an anchor.
External.
External anchor. Use an external anchor. Pick something.
Steady. Okay. Steady. Okay, stable. Okay, steady. What's that?
Another
Anchor.
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 What's this?
Anchor.
Okay.
Steady.
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 Steady. Not shake.
Shaking.
Or moving
Held firmly.
in one place.
Okay. Steady.
Steady.
Okay.
Steady.
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 Okay. Okay. He was drunk and wasn't very.
Steady.
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 Can spell it.
Steady. Steady.
Wasn't very.
Steady and on his feet.
Okay.
Steady.
Steady.
You see, this one's. This one's steady. Okay. That one's steady. Let me check. Okay, what's that?
Adjective.
Okay,
Steady.
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 okay. 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 Pick something.
Steady. To fox.
Fox.
Like your
Breathing.
Noticing the feeling of breathing and out.
Okay. In. Out. Okay. You focus on your breath.
You can also use a uncomfortable
Good.
pillow,
Yeah.
soft music, or never ever
Even.
even listening to a calm
YouTube.
YouTube video
Yeah.
about science, a place or space.
Good.
These help tell your brain it is time to slow down and rest.
Okay. Let's keep going. Okay. Meditation.
Is about, not about. For, for, for,
Forcing.
forcing your mind to stop thinking. It is about learning to
Notice.
when your thoughts are carrying your way away and gently finding your way back.
Okay, let's read this question, okay?
What does
Rumination
rumination means this me in this article? A. Thinking very quickly about many different things. B. Reply.
repeatedly.
Repeatedly thinking about the same past or future worries. C. Forgetting everything that happened during the day. Only think about happy
memories. Okay.
What does
Rumination
mean? What does rumination mean? This in this article.
Okay, don't know which one. Repeatedly.
Repeatedly think about the same past or future worries.
Okay, good. Let's learn this word new repeatedly. Okay. Repeatedly. Do you remember this? Steady, okay, not moving or shaking.
Not shaking or moving.
Steady.
Steady.
Repeatedly.
Repeatedly.
Again and again. What's that?
Adverb.
Okay, repeatedly is used to describe a verb. Repeatedly. Okay. Okay, what's that?
Again, over and over.
Okay, over and over. Okay, again and again. That's repeatedly.
Repeatedly.
Okay, good. Let's go to another question. Okay.
Why does the brain keep thinking at night? According
Good.
to the article,
Okay.
because the brain
Brain.
is
Default
default model
mode network.
all the
Default mode
network default mode network daydreaming mode
okay.
base because becomes
Active. Okay, active. Okay, something becomes active. Active. Okay, that's active. What's that?
repeatedly
Good.
repeatedly,
Good.
repeatedly, repeatedly,
Okay, what's that?
again and again.
Okay, good.
Active.
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 Okay. Active. I think it's like capable of acting.
Capable of acting.
Okay, active.
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 Active. Adjective.
Active.
Active.
Okay, can spell it.
active. Active.
Okay, active. Okay, because the brain's default mode network, daydreaming
Mode becomes active.
okay,
Because people have very weak self control.
good,
C. Based because everyone drinks too much coffee
Yeah.
because there is nothing else to do during the day.
okay,
Why does the brain keep thinking at night? According
good.
to the
Article, okay, don't know which one. Okay, good. What's that?
A.
Good, good, very good. Okay, let's read this one, okay? What's that? You need to keep going.
What is the
Main
goal of
meditation.
meditation as explained here.
Okay,
A. To completely empty
good,
your mind and have zero thoughts.
good.
To noticing
Notice.
notice thoughts when they come and gently return your face.
Focus.
Focus.
Okay, let's stop here.